for joining us. Today we're going to be talking about a great product that I'm really excited about. It is this 3-in-1 timer from ZYQY. So what makes this product so great is not only does it alert you with a sound, it also alerts you from a blinking light. It also vibrates. So this would be a great product for someone who is hearing impaired because now you would definitely see it going off. It's also great because it actually goes up to 19 hours and 59 minutes, also 99 minutes and 59 seconds. So it has a count up and count down timer. It has hours, minutes, or minutes, seconds display. It has a beep, flash, or vibrate alarm. Now we can set it to, that'd be 1 hour and 1 minute. You can clear it out like that. You can also set it to like that. That would be 3 minutes. This is your start stop, as well as the clear button up there to push both of those. Come back over here, flip it back down to minutes, seconds. And now you can see here, there's an M over here and an S over there, so that definitely tells you which setting it's on, which makes it super simple. We'll set it again to a 3-second timer, just to demonstrate that one more time, what that looks like when the alarm goes off. And there you have it. So this timer would honestly be so great for someone who does office work, for someone who's in the kitchen a lot who needs to be cooking, for someone who's going to go running or do any kind of fitness activity to be timed. So honestly, this would be for anyone of all ages. I would highly recommend this product. I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10.
Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to use the vintage Streamline timer by Kikkerland Design. Kikkerland makes several designs of timers, this being one of them, and they all pretty much work the same way. What you'll notice about this one is that it has a weighted base, so it works on tabletop. Now to set it, what I'll do is turn the dial all the way to 59 and then back to the number of minutes that I'd like. For example, if I'd like to set it to 5 minutes, I turn counterclockwise all the way to 59, and then back to 5 minutes. You can hear it ticking there. And when the timer's up, you'll hear this. And that's it.